Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel, Yaropol80. Today we have a beautiful pickup truck from VIP Auto Group, the car dealership that it's located in Clearwater, Florida. This is a special custom 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. It has a unique ramp inside, so it's a handicap pickup truck. So I'll show you how to open this ramp. First you have to open the main doors. It's kind of like a suicide door. Now you can see the ramp. So I'm holding the remote control so we can take the ramp out. It's coming out. It has an easy lock system installed, and then you go down. So this vehicle is perfect for handicapped people that love to drive pickup trucks. It's a unique car for sale only at VIP Auto Group, the car dealership. So I hope you're gonna like this car. Let me just close the ramp. You go up. It's very easy to operate. And then in. The ramp goes pretty much slowly, so it's stable, it's comfortable, safe. There you go. At the end, you just want to put it down and it's ready to use the easy lock. So I hope you're gonna like this car. Thank you very much for your support, your likes and comments. And check this car on our website, VIP Auto Group. Thank you.